I'm gonna show you guys something really cool when it comes to wet sanding. We're gonna use the X-Cut discs by Rupes, and we're gonna use it with our Rupes Hybrid Technology 3-inch buffer. Check it out.
Here's what the headlight looked like before, and it's not the worst, but it needs help.
So they're X-Cut foam abrasive pads. These are P3000. Now I already went ahead and hit this with like 1000 grit or 2000 grit wet sanding paper by hand, right? Because I want to get these in 1000 grit. I bet you they have them. And when I find them, I'll put a link in the description for you as well. But yeah, this is a game changer. Check it out. And one other thing, for those of you who are about to say, well, you're not taping it off, look, if that's what you're worried about, go watch the Detail Geek, okay? Go watch the Detail Geek and leave this to us, okay? The adults are talking. Thank you. Look, I can really get in there with precision. It's so nice. I mean, even if, I don't know if you can see it from back there, it does an amazing job. I really want to show you guys exactly how much precision you get with this, and hopefully this video, this angle really shows you. Check this out.
I was pretty surprised by the amount of control that we have while using a DA with this sandpaper.
So as you guys can see, this is after hitting it with the 3-inch or the 3000 grit on our little DA. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bust out the new Rupes cordless buffer. This thing is amazing. Again, I'll put a link in the description for this as well. We're using a Rupes, or it could be a Euro pad, I don't know. I'll find something, I'll throw it on there for you too. But it's just a wool pad, right? It's a heavy cutting pad for your compounding. This can actually remove up to like P3000 or P1500 really wet sanding disc marks. And then we're combining that with Menzerna Heavy Cut. That's not actually the name, it's Menzerna, probably, you know, P1000 or P1500. However, this in combination with this pad is really epic. Check it out. Something else to note is, look, after using the disc alone, the headlights, after using P3000 sanding paper, look at that. Look at the results. It's actually better than when the headlight was actually fogged. So it does an absolutely amazing job. Yes. Now, you can still do a medium cut and a polish. The cool thing is this stuff makes a mess. So I like to do my headlights first. Now we're gonna do a full exterior detail, blah, 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 ceramic coating, medium cut, polish, clay bar, decon. So there's a lot more to go. Anyway, guys, if you like the tools and the stuff I use and you wanna learn how to detail like a pro, make sure to like and subscribe for more like this. Drop a comment below on some other stuff you'd like to see. And for my customers in the Granville, Wyoming area, Holland, I don't care. You guys, we're doing this for like $100. It comes with a lifetime warranty. Increase your visibility, and also I can throw in new projectors and stuff for you too. They're plug and play, no wire cutting, no nothing.
The coolest thing happened when I was finishing the other side. The customer randomly stopped in to check on the results and drop off some touch-up paint.
Can I help you? What is?
The headlights.
It looks good?
That's crazy.
All right, can I keep your voice in the video?
Sure,
yeah. Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's
yeah.
so cool.
I was using, so this is our new tool. I was just showing it off.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I have it at home. So.
All right. Yeah.
All right, see you later.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, you see? You see? That's customer service, dog. All right? Anyway, I gotta get back to work. So it's all done. The customer just dropped by unexpectedly. And yeah, she was, well, I'll probably put the video in there. She walked in when we were doing a video, so check it out. Yeah, see, the new system is so sick, you guys. And honestly, my paint correction skills went through the roof since going to the Mobile Tech Expo, competing in the competition. I placed in like the top 10, which wasn't, it's okay, you know? I like placed 6th, it's fine. It's fine, all right? It's not, okay, it's not fine.